We are going to Valencia. Finally got through security. My bag had to get searched, that took 45 minutes. I got strip searched and probed, and it was actually a little bit enjoyable. Nah, joking, but it did take 45 minutes. So we are now pressed for time to get on the flight. The dreaded maze duty free. Everyone loves it. Come on, people. There he is. He wouldn't give me the window seat. Not impressed.
Yeah, but you get the armrests.
I organised the whole thing.
You've arrived at your destination.
So after a bit of an ordeal with the parking and getting through the city, we're finally at the hotel. It's pretty nice. We're gonna go up to the pool, go check that out. It's about 3 o'clock local time, so we'll probably go get some food and maybe have another meal later. But, enjoying it so far. It's lovely. Check out the views. Pretty nice view from the hotel, to be fair. Look at all them solar panels.
Look at all those chickens.
Apparently it's pervy being around the pool with the camera.
It is? Yeah. Something you should really learn.
So the pool's been refurbed and probably going to be open in about June, they said. So we are going to go check out the city and just wander around and get some food from a cafe or something. It's just occurred to us that this is so much nicer than the UK. We haven't even started exploring yet. So this park that we're in now, which we're going to be exploring for the next couple of hours, is an old riverbed that goes straight through the city, and they redirected it in the 1950s because it kept flooding the city. So basically, everyone from everywhere in the city can get to a park. It goes all the way down there, and then all the way down there to the beach. And we're going to explore it. So the river is called River Turia. It was susceptible to a lot of flooding. Apparently, early 1950s, it flooded more than 10 times per year, once even flooding to the old city, the old town, and the outskirts of the city where the whole city got affected by it. So in 1957, they rediverted the river south and decided to make the whole riverbed into a national park. So within the riverbed, they made a music palace, science museum, an arts museum, an aquarium, a bunch of gardens with fountains and interesting sculptures to basically allow people to access running walkways, bike lanes, and easily kind of get to nature from being in the city without having to leave. To me, as a Brit, we find we do have a lot of, in London, lots of parks, but they're very concise and very sort of contained by city walls and stuff. This felt very natural because it obviously came from the riverbed. This is hardcore, baby.
Are you meant to do this or what?
Yes. This is almost like Iceland all over again. Matt's scared that we're breaking the rules, as always.
Let's look at me.
That's definitely staying in the video.
Enjoying your first meal? Talk us through.
So I've got Serrano ham in a baguette, and I've got a Dutch, not Spanish beer. I don't really like beer.
And is there any butter?
No butter, no mayonnaise, nothing with it, just dry bread, the Serrano. Surprisingly good.
Sometimes that's all you need, isn't it?
Your turn. What have we got?
We've got a pizza speciale. It's ham, salami, pepperoni, cheese.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Sorry.
Matt's just pointed out that the aquarium looks like a fish. Kind of.
Yeah, look out.
I'm convinced that that's the tail, the right side, but he reckons that's the mouth.
I don't know how you're not seeing them out.
I reckon it's the bumhole. I was right. That's the mouth.
It's the same. It's literally the same.
Okay. Apparently it's the same because he can't admit that I was right and he was wrong.
Everybody's going to see right through that because they can see what it looks like.
This is what I wanted to go see. Over here. There's like a, no, there's like an overhead bit over the other side over there. Yeah, bridge. We're not allowed nice things in the UK because we just ruin them.
Graffiti, isn't it?
Like, this would not be allowed. Even though we do have worse weather, like, it would just get ruined with, yeah, like Matt was saying, with graffiti and stuff. I mean, look, it's just lovely. I love it.
I'll tell you, honestly, I will love it if we beat them. Love it.
I bleeding love it. This is just randomly in the middle of the city. Little 360. Aquarium. This is just a bridge, but it looks nice. Design museum, and I think there's another science museum over there. It is like the den they put on The Simpsons.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, there's some stuff down here. So I want to go up there. Why is no one in the water? It's because they're not yobs, like us Brits.
Not quite. It's half it.
And
Like green ones.
they kind of respect their city, unlike us. Or some of the little twats that are from the UK. This is so nice. I can't. You're jealous. I'm jealous of this. I wish I could live here. I'm sure there's downfalls to this place, but
Just get to look at something.
it just seems nice. It just seems chilled. As long as you've got a job. What a glorious day. Apparently it's like 28 degrees. It's lovely. So we're on a bridge over the park, pretty much. It's called El Umbro. Umbrel. I'll make it appear on the screen somewhere. Which way do you want to go?
Kind of. No, it looks like a wizard from here, but they.
You're a wizard.
Yeabo.
At the end of that one. Oh, you can't go in there, so.
Oh.
This way.
It's a bit weird that it's elevated. Oh. It's a parakeet of some sort.
It looks a bit different to the one we get anyway.
Yeah.
What's the cat?
Kitty. Little kitty. This looks like a 2-year-old's art project. I mean, what is that? It's like a 2-year-old's art project.
Some people get offended if you say that.
Okay. They're allowed to be offended. El umbracle.
That's umbrella.
Is it? You've got to stop. Because I'm actually starting to believe that you know what some Spanish words are. Umbracle. Matt looked up. Apparently umbracle doesn't mean umbrella. It means shadowed area. Or sheltered area. Should we go back over to the marina? To the marina.
I'm going to the marina, you coming?
No. Get some paella. Paella.
It looks like such a beast. Like something from the name of the game. Just that massive one.
I don't know. So I have booked a little secret for Matt for Thursday evening. He doesn't know what it is, but he thinks we're going here to see Ricky Martin live. I'm assuming now that's this building here. Maybe down underneath.
The umbrella. Underneath it.
Yeah, so we're here,
Oh yeah.
here. So we need to go down, probably on the ground floor, I guess.
Maybe under here.
Yeah, maybe. So this is, don't tell Matt, but this is where we're coming Thursday evening to go see Ricky Martin live. This is where we're actually going to come to see Ricky Martin live. What are your thoughts on that?
Funny.
He does have a residency here, I think.
I'm the one spotting all the wildlife.
You do look like you're a safari guy, to be fair, what you're wearing. A white stork. Spotted a cat earlier. He's all over the animals. Lovely.
See that?
What?
Starts making a step. Starts.
So the plan was to go to the marina and the beach, but we realised the old town is the other side of these buildings, so we're just going to go check that out. I don't know much about it, really, apart from there's like a Colosseum looking thing, which would be pretty sick. We turn around the corner and old town looks like it's being knocked down. We need to keep going. Let's go. This doesn't look very touristy to me. We're gonna get robbed. We're definitely gonna get robbed. Robbed by the children. This is definitely not the nicer part of Valencia. Are you sure you were looking at the right part of the map? Because it would be cool to see a Colosseum.
Sort of river bend bit or something.
South of that. But we're walking north.
Yeah, we're quite far away from it.
Because Is Old Town where the other hotel was? Like, out of the city. We're basically back to our hotel. We are literally back at our hotel. So we can go that way and go to the beach. And then go up the beach to the Old Town.
Yeah.
Rather than Stabby McStabberson area. I feel that's probably a better option. What do you think? Well, we're going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. And here we have Matty O'Shaggers.
The opposite.
The body of a dad, clothes of a dad, the voice of an angel. Don't do that ever again. Do not even attempt to sing ever again, please. I heard the marina and the beach were really nice. I'm not quite seeing it just yet. But that's quite a nice little random statue in a church there. This, I reckon, is a town hall. This looks like a town hall. What's Spanish for beach? Las playas. Where is this bloody beach? Nice. This sounds fun. Fuck. Oh, we gotta come back here.
Let's go here now. Get a drink.
Yeah, but I mean, come back instead of going to the beach, just go to the beach club.
Yeah. Yeah, why don't we just go here now?
Okay. So Matt tried to convince me, I don't know if you can hear me, that we needed a drink. We've ended up in a marine bar and he wants me to come back later, stay out till 3 in the morning. Nah. Bloody paella, ain't it, mate? Or paella, because I'm British. After a massive paella, had to be done. Oh, baby. Yummy, yum, yum, yum.